Hello, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today, in our presentation, we are going to talk about how to prepare a project method budget, including the methodology with a sample. You can download this Excel sheet from the URL which has been provided in one of the slides because as it covers a lot of items, I'm taking a sample of certain items and I'm trying to explain to you. Moreover, the rates and the productivity is a provisional. You have to change according to your requirement, according to the current market prices, the material prices, labor prices. As this Excel sheet is linked everything, once you change in any item, it automatically change the entire project example. Moreover, this project is having this many items, so I given that. In some other project, the item might be increased or decreased. Accordingly, you can correct it. This presentation covers how to do the following thing. First one is a budget, consultant budget, civil work and finish work costing, service budget, material rates, labor with materials, door analysis, and many more. What is meant by a project budget? The project budget is a tool used by the project manager to estimate the total cost of a project. A project template includes a detailed estimate of all costs that are likely to be incurred before the project completed. Large commercial projects can have projects that are several pages long. Some projects often have a large number of costs associated with them, such as the labor costs, material procurement costs, operating costs, etc. etc. The project budget is itself a dynamic document. It is continuously updated over the course of the project. The importance of the project budget. Initially, the project budget allows the project manager to determine how much the project is likely to cost throughout the course of the project. It lets the project manager to check whether or not the project is sticking to its budget. Let us look at the sample project budget template as shown in this presentation. A project manager who is responsible for the completion of the project ABC. He organizes the project in a work breakdown structure format. Project ABC having two primary tasks. Each of the primary tasks has three secondary tasks associated with it. Finally, each secondary task has two territory tasks associated with that. Project ABC required the use of a labor and capital for its completion. The project budget template has separate sections for labor and capital. For simplicity, it has been assumed that the labor charges a specific rate for each of the primary tasks. In practice, wage rates can be different for each of the secondary and tertiary tasks. Moreover, some complex projects may require the use of other resources in addition the labor and now let us talk about the project of the building. Name of the building, mention it, location, mention it, number of levels, what the project I am considering is 4 numbers basement, podium, stilt, 32 livable period, duration what is the period, built up area will be 1,88,232 square feet, start date and finish statement, sellable area is 1,52,352 square meter, area efficiency that is a built up area divided by saleable. Now let us go about item by item. Expenses head, see let us say contract name, consultant fees, okay, here the material not to be procured, type of a contract FLO, that is the things, total amount I given a certain amount, so the rate per square feet will be 9 rupees. How I derived this figure? The total cost divided by the FLO will give you the things. This you can refer the annexure 1 attached how I derived it. Same way structural consultant, MEP consultant, unit model making, wind tunnel analysis, wind tunnel testing, pollution control consultant, soil investigation. Like this consultant has been break up. You can add
Traffic
your
analysis,
landscape consultant
this is the
and
thing.
what
Survey
overall the
works,
consultant has
what is
been
the cost
involved.
which has been
You
there,
can
go
model
on, add
making,
it.
what will be the things, landscape consultant, project management consultancy, peer review consultant, interior design consultant, vastu consultant, photography, lighting consultant, 3D view consultant, environmental assessment consultant, signage, facade consultant. This is the total cost of the various consultant charges. Okay, you derive the figure of the various consultant charges. If you hire more consultants, you have to go on add it. Now let us talk about a civil work. Excavation work, this is the things. Anti-termite treatment, what will be the cost? Tremix work, what is this? Structural waterproofing, expansion joint treatment, steel, RMC, binding wire, bricks, blocks, cement, sand, polymer, fiber, fly ash. This is comes under the civil works cost. So these are the things. My1 cost, that is the aluminium shuttering formwork, including the mock-up cost. 20% cost for 1 year assumed. Refer the sheet attached. My1 accessories cost. This is the total section of the B. Waterproofing work. See cement, sand, brick, etc. This is the cost, how it has been derived. You can refer the annexure 3. Flooring and tiling. This consists of all the material. Swimming pool, flooring and tiling. Carpentry works. Gypsum, POP matrix, POP false ceiling works. Internal painting. Fabrication for swimming pool. Toilet glass cubicle. Modular kitchens. Entrance lobby. External finishing. Aluminum windows. External painting. MS failing. These figures which has been the rate has been given. You can check it at the annexure so that you know how these figures has been derived. Services cost. Now we have come to a services which is an essential part of the project. Electrical works, plumbing works, solar system, firefighting, fire alarm and PA systems, CP and sanitary ware cost, filtration plant for a swimming pool, HAVC for flash, staircase pressurization, home automation, lift. The total for a services cost is this much, which you can check it from the annexures. How do I derive these figures? Others, helipad and trellis cost. Then site establishment, what will be the cost? Total for water and electricity. CM discretionary budget. Safety, certain percentage, that is the 0.5% I considered. Add contingencies 4%, which bound to vary everything. This is the total amount which will give you how do I derive the figures. You have to check all the attached sheet. Now I am telling about how I derive all these things in a nutshell. Architectural designing, okay, this is the quantity, rate is been so much, amount is this, taxes 10.3%, this is the amount. Residential assessment portion, basement portion at the rate of 4 rupees, this much amount. Structural cost, consultant cost in the residential tower, this much the cost. Residential basement portion, this much the cost. MEP residential tower, residential basement segregated, and this is the cost. Unit model making, signage, peer review, pollution control, facade, vastu consultant, photography, 3D views, project management, model making, traffic analysis, etc. These are the costs has been divided, and you have to verify the annexure which I am attached to this presentation, which will give you a clear indication. Excavation, how to arrive this is the civil works. Excavation in soil, total quantity, wastages, quantity including wastages, rate including taxes and octroi, the labor, rate including taxes, amount, material cost, etc., etc. You have to go on and you will get the figure. Like this, for various civil items you can add up the figure. This is only can be treated as a template. Same way, aluminum shuttering, what is the cost? Design, what is the cost? Technical support, what is the cost? I have considered for 151 reputation. Okay. So accordingly, you have to calculate what is the reputation you are considering. Civil labor cost for various areas, like that a brick wall. Here I have considered the so many analysis of what is the consumption and everything I have considered. Based on this, all these rates has been worked out. If this consumption varies, you have to change accordingly. The same way for a brickwork, fly ash, cement, river sand. For every item, there is an assumption tally has been taken up here. This is for various items like as a tower crane, what is the cost? Steel, what will be the cost? Expansion joint, retrofitting cost, retrofitting material cost, wire mesh chemicals, etc. Now services budget. Let us say electrical works. Flats electrification, what will be the cost? DG set, what will be the cost? Firefighting, what will be the cost? HAVC works, what will be the cost? Flat AC, what is the cost? Staircase preservation, what is the cost? Automation, what will be the cost? Plumbing and sanitary fixing, what will be the cost? Plumbing and piping is what is the cost? Solar system, what is the cost? Filtration plants for swimming pool, what will be the cost? Elevator, what will be the cost? So the total cost, what will be that? That will be the services budget. Now let us say for analyzing all these things, you have to have your material prices. This is what I am giving a sample. So ready mix M40, allowable wastage is 2%, current rate is this much, current total landed cost, average annual escalation, because every year as the material prices and the labor prices has been go on, so you have to add average annual extension. So forecast of the total landed cost, that means this is a material code, this is an ERP codes which you don't have to worry about it. Like this you work out all the material costs including the wastages and everything which has been explained to you in this presentation. You can find it out the Excel sheet for further verification. For all materials work on like this, the rates, but including the wastages, what will be the taxes and everything. This is the entire material. Now let us come up to labor rate. Labor rate, what will be the things? Okay, for example, excavation in soil, unit is 149, add taxes, unit rate including taxes, escalation if there is there, then final landing rate is this. Okay, this is the work order number what I given to the various contracts. This is the work order number has to be given. So wastage of material consideration has to be identified here. Like this, you can find out, you have to work out all the labor costs. This 10.3% when it was service taxes, but right now it become a GST. You have to correct this 10.3% according to the current GST rate. This is the labor and everything. You can find out the URL site has been provided here. You can download it from this URL site, this entire Excel sheet for your ready reference and reckoner. Labor with material. There is some materials, it is not only a material and you have to do it labor. This will become along with the labor and material. That's what we do, outsourcing material. Polythene sheets, crystalline waterproofing material, waterproofing chemical for joint treatment, hot rolled MS steel, hot rolled checkered plate, base coat waterproofing, etc. etc. You have to go on it. Like this, every material has to be worked out. So this is the way you will be creating your project budgeting. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided below. Thank you for watching. Your suggestion, advices, corrections, complaints are highly solicited so that I can correct in the future and give you a good presentation. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe,